Hello friends, hi, this is Ravi here. We are here to discuss few charts like we do every week. So I have shortlisted few stocks on the basis of relative strength analysis. So let us get to the charts. So first chart is of Brigade. So let us also look at the to the left of the chart, which tells how the journey of the stock has been so far. Yeah. So yeah, so I can spot my favorite pattern, which is a climax pattern. So climax pattern is basically a pattern which tells you about the trend reversal. So if you see, it was in a strong bearish momentum from this level to this level, and this anchor column was negated by another anchor column of X, right? So we and there is a follow through, right? So we have a triple top buy here. So this is a follow through to that anchor column. So this is called as a climax. This is called as a selling climax where the bulls have taken the control of the stock. And then we can see a lot of follow throughs. There was this bear trap here, and after that we are seeing continuation double top buys, right? So stock is in a strong uptrend, and the double top buy entry will happen at 527, and the stop loss for that would be 441. So we can wait for the double top entry. If we get a trigger on that, we can enter with the stop loss of 441 rupees. So it's a nice stock. Everything is bullish about this stock. If you see, the PMOX is also bullish, right? So I have recorded another video on CDSL. You can go through it. So I have kind of detailed that stock here. So, so if you want to understand the logic of my planning or my analysis, you can go through that video and you will understand few things about relative strength analysis and etc. So CDSL, the chart is beautiful, right? So we have this anchor column, then there is a follow through, and this anchor column is huge, right? So 38 counts of X in this column, which means it is kind of the stock has kind of doubled, right, from the entry levels. And then we have seen this small retracement, which was uh, which was followed by this column of X. We have the column of a 3 column of X with the X's at same level, right? So this is a probable triple top buy, and the affordability is very nice. This is the minimum risk that you can get into a trade, right? So only 3 columns of O here, or 3 columns of O, only 3 O's here in this column. So CDSL, the entry will be triggered at 1573, and the stop loss for that would be 1135. DMART, the overall chart is really bullish. So on 3% it has started giving a turtle breakout here. Then there was this consolidation, and this consolidation was broken here. And then there was this anchor column. There was a small retracement. Now the it's in the column of X, right? So the double top buy is at 5441, and the stop loss for that would be 4294. You can watch out for this stock. At very, yeah, it's not in the column of X, but I wanted to have this stock uh, in this video covered. So Edberry is a company which deals in sugar, right? So we have seen a lot of traction for sugar stocks in last 1 year. So if you see, this is a huge anchor column. I think this anchor column has started in March 2020, right? And the price was 113 and it is now at 481. So you can see how the kind of growth that this stock has given. And this is a, if you can see the principle of polarity being followed here. So previous resistance line becomes a support line now. Okay, and now this is also outperforming the broader sectors like Nifty 50, Nifty 500. So it is always good to have uh, alerts placed for such stocks wherein you see a lot of momentum and there is a lot of scope of growth in these kind of stocks. You can get good returns if we invest in these kind of stocks, and the risk is only three O's, right? Only if the double top buy happens, which will happen at, just let me zoom in, 512, right? And the stop loss would be 496. So it's a very affordable stop loss, at least for me. So I'll be watchful on this stock because the PMOX is bullish and it is outperforming the broader indices and the entry is affordable. Similar setup in Grasim. So this is exactly same structure as uh, Edperry. So I'll just give you the entry and stop loss levels here. So entry would be triggered at 1878 and the stop loss would be 1619. Grindwell, very nice stock. See this PMOX indicator is really beautiful indicator. Uh, I really like this kind of indicator wherein there is a huge clarity. So if you see the first bullish, so this was oversold. This was overbought PMOX. Okay, now that overbought PMOX has turned into a bullish PMOX here. So if somebody has entered here on the basis of PMOX and would have exited only if the PMOX is bearish, right? So bearish would be a red dot here under 20. So there is no exit, okay? And this is and the person would be in the trade from this double top buy. So this double top buy would be what? 80 rupees, right? So so 80 rupees was the stock and it was in 2009 and the stock is 1670 now. So you can do the maths and understand what kind of growth this stock has given from 2009. So, so I just wanted to tell you about the PMOX indicator. It's really difficult to trade, right? It's really difficult to trade just on the basis of PMOX because uh, you know trading psychology plays the biggest role in your trading. So it is really difficult to execute such kind of trades. But yeah, it is like that. So Grindwell, so we had this triple top buy here. So this is basically the CDSL formation of the CDSL chart formation right now. So we have this affordable entry in CDSL as well, and this is a probable triple top buy. So this we can get this kind of chart in CDSL as well. So this is now in the column of O. So the price will have to move up to trigger a double top buy, which is at 1877, which is quite far. So it is 200 points from here. So it's kind of 12% from here. So the stock will have to move up, and we'll enter only if this price goes up to 1878. Okay, and the stop loss at that time would be 1572. So this is something I really like about point and figure charts, because you know, suppose that market falls tomorrow, and with the market Grindwell also falls, then we'll not enter in that stock, right? Because our entry price has not triggered, so there is no question of entering into that stock. In this way, these point and figure charts help you to avoid the wrong trades. It is really important to avoid wrong trades, because money saved is money earned, right? So those who are in the market and would really understand what I'm trying to say. But it is always good to avoid entries just basis our emotions or the news or the noise which is around us. Yeah, LTI, beautiful chart. We had multiple column breakout here, right? So now here is a small retracement. PMOX is bullish all along. So the double top buy entry would be at 7530, and the stop loss for this would be 6497. Metropolis, it's a diagonal triple top buy here. Very nice chart, right? TMOX is bullish and everything is looks bullish on the chart. We can see a couple of anchor columns to the left, and there are follow throughs, right? Okay, so the double top buy entry is at 3390, and the stop loss would be 2924. So you can watch out for Metropolis. Persistent is about to give us a double top buy. Very nice chart, right? See, this kind of charts are lovely. So the PMOX has just turned bullish here in this anchor column, and then there is a follow through. If you see, uh, if somebody has entered here, he would have been stopped out here, and he would have entered here at 1717, and this is from January 21, right? So from January 21, the stock 17, right? So it has doubled, more than doubled, right? So we are getting such kind of formation here, wherein we have this huge anchor column, there was a small retracement, and now we can have a double top back. So this would be anchor column follow through, super pattern. Everything is good about this stock, okay? So the double top buy is at 4423, and the stop loss for that would be how much? Am I seeing it right? 3815, that's what, right? 3815 would be the stop loss. Polyplex, very nice chart here. PMOX is bullish. We have this anchor column, and then we have the follow throughs, right? There was this triple top buy before this anchor column. Now we have this setup wherein the double top buy entry will be triggered at 1934. So this I think was triggered, but the stock did not sustain that price and it went down. We can wait for that to happen whenever that happens, we can enter with a stop loss of 1667. Yeah, so Power Grid is another stock wherein there was this consolidation for a very long time, I guess, and now there is a and we see a follow throughs here, and now there is a double top buy that has happened, but the price has gone down from the double top buy level. So double top buy was at 211 and the price is 206, so it has kind of retraced from that level, but there is no column of it will take a lot of time. So if we get another entry at 211, then we can trade this, and the stop loss for that would be 147. Okay, so that's about Power Grid. SKF India is another stock which is quite bullish, and it is outperforming Nifty 50 and Nifty 500. So very nice chart here. We have seen this turtle breakout here, and this anchor column was a follow through to it. Now the price is in column O, and the double top buy entry will be triggered at 4048, and stop loss in that case would be 3492. Nice stock, guys. Just keep these alerts ready in your account, and whenever they get triggered you can enter these stocks. Tanla is similar, guys. Tanla is very nice chart. Very, if you see TP-Mox, it's bullish, and the price action in Tanla is crazy, right? So, this anchor column where the price was 40 rupees, right? So that the low was in January 2020. From 40 rupees, it is now at 1521. My god, this is crazy move in couple of years, right? So this is how you pick your multi-baggers. You don't know when you will get such kind of stocks, but you have to try, enter the stocks, and just follow your system, and you might land up with such kind of stocks, right? But yeah, this is a bullish chart, and the double top entry would be at 1612, sorry, 1620, and the stop loss for that would be 1396. So that's it, guys. So just keep these alerts placed in your system, and whenever they get triggered you can just have a look at the chart, you can do your own analysis, and then you can enter in the stocks. Yeah, so that's it for this week, guys. Just take care of yourselves and always have a stop loss in place while you are trading. Thank you very much.